Hello friends, how are you? Today, I will teach you how you can install YouTube on your PC and laptop. How you can download it, I will teach that. So first of all, what you have to do is open the Chrome browser and go to the youtube.com website. Now here, I will teach you how to install and download it. Here, in the top right corner, click on the three dots and scroll down. Here, you will find the option for Save and Share. Click on it. A drop-down menu will open. After that, click on Install and install it. In this way, YouTube will be installed. I'll close this from here and show you here to check. You can see this. So, if you found this video helpful, then like the video and subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends.